Hey guys, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and this video is going to be a little bit different than the videos I typically put out. And the reason for it is, honestly, if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer or kind of anything right now, you need to find someone that you can either mentor or model. Someone that can mentor you or that you can model, okay? And the problem is that most people are trying to model people that are way ahead of them, okay? So if you're a solopreneur, right, and you're trying to model an affiliate marketer that has a team of 25 people running content for them, you're going to struggle because there's just such a huge difference in what they're able to do with their team and what you're able to do, okay? And so these are 5 affiliate marketers that I guess I'm calling them like up and coming, okay? They're people that don't have massive teams. They're seeing success anyway, and I think 2020 is going to be blow up years for every single one of them. And they're just at that point where they're blowing up, right? And they haven't hired a team of 20 people because they've already blown up. So I think they're all worth following, and I'll give you reasons for each one of them. All right, we are back. Remember, if you want to learn affiliate marketing in a non-generic way, this is the channel for you. Click subscribe. Let's start with the first one, okay? And there'll be links down below to each one of these so you can go and connect with them and follow them and say hi to them if you want. They're all nice guys as well. But the first one you can see here on the screen, his name is Chris Fong, okay? And he runs a group called the Affiliate Profits Mastermind. Actually, I don't think that's the name of it is. Let's click in and see what his group is actually called here. It's called the Affiliate Profits Mastermind, SEO and Marketing, ClickFunnels, okay? Chris is one of like the humblest, nicest guys ever, and he is a master of SEO, okay? A literal master of SEO, and he just kind of stays behind the scenes and does it. He brings in, I'd say at least more than $10,000 a month, maybe between $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, completely passively from a side hustle website, okay? He still has his job, and he has a side hustle website that brings in that much money. The best thing about Chris, though, is that he loves to share stuff, okay? So you join this group or you follow him on Facebook, and he shares all kinds of really valuable stuff, like full like email sequences and stuff. Like, hey guys, here's an email sequence that's just been crushing it for me lately. It's all yours if you want it. And that's just kind of the guy he is. Really, really cool dude, and really generous and smart. So great to follow if SEO is at any point part of your plans. The next one we're going to talk about is his name is Jonthan Montoya, and this guy kind of showed up on my radar maybe 6 months ago. He just popped into my group and posted like a 30-minute training. He's like, hey, I've been on Pinterest lately and things have been going really well. Here's a quick training of what I'm doing. And it was just this awesome training, and he was just out there, knocking it out on Pinterest. And then a few months later, I pop over to his YouTube channel, and he's just pounding out videos like one day ago, 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago. Like, he's just pounding out videos every single day, and his channel is exploding because of it. Okay? Like, he's growing really, really quickly because of it. So if you're just looking for somebody to watch and someone that just hustles and gets it done and finds a way to make it happen, go hop onto YouTube and subscribe to Jonthan Montoya. Okay, the third one, he's actually bigger than me. He's much more well known than me, and so I wouldn't call him up and coming, but he's kind of up and coming within my circle of people that I associate with. His name is Liam K. He has a channel called Making a Millionaire, and I think he came out of the scene like a year and a half ago. He's got 82,000 YouTube subscribers, so he blew me out of the water. He's the top affiliate of Buildapreneur, the top affiliate of Kartra, if you've ever heard of either one of those. And honestly, he's one of the most creative affiliate marketers I've ever seen. Like, he just puts out content once every week or two about a way that he's like testing to succeed as an affiliate, and it's just cool stuff. Like, he just tries out all kinds of unique, cool ways to make money as an affiliate. And wildly enough, a lot of them succeed. So subscribe to him on YouTube. You can also follow him on Facebook, but I think YouTube's where he kind of puts all of his like really killer content. He's one of the few people that I subscribe to and have a bell, actually like get notified when he puts out videos, because they're just really interesting and I love watching them. All right, let's not forget James Hurst. Oh, hey, by the way, guys, let me know who you follow down below. Like, we put out other videos like this in the future. Who's an affiliate that you just follow and love to follow because of the stuff they put out and the value they provide in your lives? Comments, let me know down below. Hopefully at least one of these guys is in that queue. But James Hurst is kind of a unique affiliate as well. He still works a 9-to-5 job as well, but while he still brings in $5,000 to $10,000 a month passively as an affiliate marketer, a lot of this was done through creating software bonuses. Okay, and so if you're looking to create like a software or create like a really killer bonus package as an affiliate for a specific product, James can help you. He's created just killer bonuses by creating cheap softwares, and when I say cheap, I mean they were cheap for him to make. But they're good softwares, and then he offers them as bonuses for people that sign up through his links, and he does really, really well through it. Then the last one, if you've ever struggled with anxiety, like social anxiety, where you're just honestly like terrified to go out the door sometimes, or terrified to put yourself out online, you know, there are people like you're just scared to like comment and things and stuff like that, or you've struggled with depression or anything like that, you want to follow James Neville-Taylor. He's a friend of mine. I've talked to him a bunch of times. Just a few years ago, this guy he's super depressed. He's super social anxiety. Like if I understand it right, he like couldn't even go out of his house, let alone like post online and stuff like that. Like he was scared to even get online and like make a comment because he was afraid of how he'd be judged and stuff. And now he's out there. You can see him in his main picture. He's speaking on stages. He's crushing it in affiliate marketing, and he did it in only a few short years. So he creates tons of good content on how to be an affiliate, but how to like overcome your fear of being online and using that kind of like new mindset to go out there and just crush it. And I can almost guarantee 2020 is going to be a crazy year for James Neville-Taylor. Okay, kind of a random video, I know, but I'm assuming that you are interested in affiliate marketing, so don't forget to go down below, get access to your totally free Get Started with Affiliate Marketing course, and up next, here's a video you don't want to miss.